Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having today. So we are having multiple news into the market, but the major high impact news is at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around 6 p.m. Now let's move to the charts. Let's go through the same boring process because boring process makes money. So we are having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below this strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So the price retraced back after breaking this strong low to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle. Making this a strong zone of reaction, the price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This sweeping gave the market a bullish push into the upside direction. So now let's move to the weeklies since we are having accumulation into the monthlies right here. So this is the weekly chart and we can see that we are having a strong low which had taken the low of the weekly swing. So I'm considering the market to move into the upside direction and go till this POI. So for now, nothing is clear into the weeklies since we are sweeping the highs of the previous week and low of the previous week. So now let's move to the dailies. This is the daily chart, and what do we have here is that we are reacting to something from here and moving into the downward direction. So there is nothing yet clear, but we are also having a supply to demand flip right at this zone. So I'm anticipating the price to at least reach this supply to demand zone and then move into the either side. So let's move to the smaller time frames for a clear picture. So this is the 4 hour and we can clearly see that the price took these equal highs and moved into the downward direction. So we are having this FVG right here and we are having equal highs into the market. So I'm anticipating the price to react something from here and move into the upside direction, mitigate these equal highs and then move into this supply to demand flip. So our bias currently is bearish till this level and we are waiting for the market to mitigate this FVG. So now let's move to the 30 minutes directly for our daily bias. So this is the Asia session right at the zone of the equal highs and I'm anticipating the price to take the Asia sessions low and then move into the Asia high. Take the Asia high and then we are going to get a reaction and move into the downward direction towards these flip zones. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.